right, number 3 on the review. Travis opened an account with a deposit of $2,000. So deposit $2,000. The account earned annual simple interest. That lets me know what formula I need to use. He did not make any additional withdrawals or deposits. At the end of 7 years, the balance of his account was $2,560. What was the annual interest rate on this account? Okay. So I do have simple interest. That means I'm going to use the formula I equals PRT. And then I'm going to pull out my information here. Now it says that he deposited $2,000. So that's going to be my principal. Put that where the P is. And then it says at the end of 7 years. So that's going to be my time. And then I have this 2,560. So that is my balance in the account. I don't have anywhere to put my balance, but that does tell me that I can find my interest. So I would take that account balance, 2,560, and when I subtract 2,000 or that principal from it, it will give me my amount of interest. Okay. So if I did 2,560 minus 2,000, I get 560. So that's how much interest Travis earned after 7 years. Okay. So now that I have information, I'm looking for my interest rate so I can plug in what I know. So interest was 560 equals principal, which is 2,000, times my rate, times my time, which is 7. Now, because this is multiplication, all of these are multiplying, I'm going to go ahead and multiply 2,000 times 7 so that I can see what that is going to equal. And that gives me 14,000. And then I still have this R because I don't know what my rate is yet. So I'm going to put it next to that 14,000 to multiply. And it's going to equal 560 because I still have that. Now, from here, I'm at a one-step equation. And these numbers are multiplying together. So I know to get that R completely by itself, I need to do the inverse operation or the opposite of multiplication, which would be to divide. Okay, so when I divide, I'm going to divide by that coefficient or by that 14,000. And I'm going to get 560 divided by 14,000. And it gives me 1/25. So if I do 1 divided by 25 and I put that decimal there, I get 0.04. Okay. Now on the Google form, it does say convert your answer to a percent, type the percent sign. So right now I'm at a decimal, and I know that if I want to turn it into a percent, instead of going 2 places to the left, since I'm working the backwards, I'm going to go 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So my rate is going to be 4%. All right. And it does say to type in the percent sign. So you should have typed in 4% for question number 3.